旅行开荒实用英文手册第一部分日常生活语句1点
Hello, hi.
Hello, hi 2点
Good morning.
早安3点
Good afternoon.
午安4点
Good evening.
晚安下午3点以后5点
Good night.
晚安睡前或晚上再见时用6点
How are you?
你好吗7点
Fine, thank you. And how are you?
我很好你呢8点
How do you do?
你好吗用于第一次见面回答一红9点
Nice to see you.
很高兴与你见面10点
I must be going now.
我必须走了1点
Have a nice day.
祝你有愉快的一天2点
I hope you had a good time tonight.
祝你有个愉快的晚上3点
Goodbye. See you.
再见4点
Pardon.
请再说一遍5点
Sorry. I don't understand.
对不起我不懂你的意思6点
Please speak slowly.
请再说慢一点7点
Do you speak English?
你说英文吗8点
Thank you very much.
非常谢谢你9点
You are so kind.
你真好20点
You are welcome.
不用客气1点
Sorry. I am sorry.
抱歉2点
Excuse me.
抱歉打扰一下3点
That's all right.
没关系4点
Never mind.
别放在心上5点
I agree.
我同意6点
That's right.
对7点
It sounds nice.
听起来不错8点
That's too bad.
太可惜了9点
I hope so.
希望如此30点
That's fine.
很好1点
Can you do me a favor?
能帮我个忙吗2点
Please fill in this immigration form for me.
请帮我填入境登记表3点
What should I fill in here?
这里要填什么4点
Please fill in the hotel name for me.
请帮我填旅馆名称5点
Please help me to fill in the declaration form.
请帮我填报税单6点
For house rent, should I go to U.S. immigration for registration?
租房子需要到移民局报备吗7点
What's the matter?
怎么了发生什么事了8点
What for?
为什么9点
Where do you live?
你住哪里40点
Can you speak English?
你会说英文吗41点
Are you sure?
你确定吗42点
May I have your business card or address and telephone number?
请给我你的名片或是地址电话好吗43点
Excuse me, how can I get to this address?
请问到这地址怎么走44点
How much?
多少钱45点
How far?
有多远？4、6点。
How long?
要多久？4、7点。
Do you have the time?
你知道现在几点吗？4、8点。
What time is it?
你知道现在几点吗？4、9点。
Is Mr. White at home?
怀特先生在家吗？5、0点。
May I speak to Mrs. Brown?
我找布朗太太。5、1点。
Could I visit you tomorrow?
我明天能拜访你吗？5、2点。
Are you free?
你有空吗？5、3点。
Please come in.
请进。5、4点。
Please put on these slippers.
请穿拖鞋。5、5点。
Make yourself at home.
请不要拘束。5、6点。
Would you like coffee or tea?
要喝咖啡还是茶？5、7点。
Some more crackers.
要不要再吃些饼干？5、8点。
I hope you like Chinese food.
希望